let's start vlogging. So today we have our first vlog trip to Vienna, and basically we're trying to enjoy this trip, because in the past we did many trips alone and we never actually enjoyed. So today we try some different stuff. And also right now we're vlogging first time in public, and it takes me like 20 minutes before I actually start vlogging. And you can see I found the place where is nobody. Like behind me is some people right now, but they are far away, and it's not the most comfortable thing I do, but we have to try it, we have to do it if this format will be actually enjoyable for us or not. We'll see if it'll be fine or not. Some people watch me, but that's okay. It's one people from like 20 different ones, so yeah. Well, we probably have to use to it. So let's start our trip and see you in Vienna. So yeah, we just arrived to Vienna, and we go to our first market, which is Platz. So yeah, let's go. So what usually ruined my trip, it was mainly because I didn't have a plan. Like I have just some idea what I wanna do in the city, like I want to visit this museum or this stuff. I just have general idea what I wanna do, like wanna visit this museum or wanna visit that stuff and etc. So this time we have a little bit more concrete plan, but will we do it? So that's definitely one of the main focus, different thing we will try it to enjoy this trip a little bit more. So yeah. And second thing, also the traveling to the destination usually wasn't the most enjoyable, and today we bring the book. I already tried that and it wasn't the worst one. I pretty enjoy it reading, so yeah, it definitely helped. Alright, so right now we go to Platz. I don't know how to call it. And yeah, we'll see. It will be how it looks like. So great, I planned everything, and right now I discovered the markets are open from 12 a.m. at p.m. So now I have to wait 1 hour. So our plan is brilliant. I just forgot it. So right now we go to, I don't know, probably eat something. Right now it's 11 a.m. So we have like 1 hour, which is totally enough for our lunch. We order schnitzel, hopefully will they have, and then we start our tour to another Christmas market, and we come back here where we finish our trip. So it will be interesting to see how it looks like before, where there's almost no one here, and after, when there will be a lot of people probably. So yeah, let's go. So right now we are on some main square, and we go to some local restaurant where we try our schnitzel. Hopefully it will be good. It should be, because like Vienna or Austria is known for the best schnitzels. So yeah, we are here in middle of the people, we are talking. Honestly, it's not that bad, like I'm pretty used to it because like nobody actually cares. Yeah, how I said, no one is care what I'm doing, so that's good. We feel much more comfortable now. Bon appétit. So yeah, we finished our meal and it was super good, like we really enjoyed it. Also we met like two persons, like older and it was like great experience. So yeah, a little bit more we talk in outside, so cheers. We are full, we eat the schnitzel. Also we met two like super like great people, older couple, and it was nice. Like that's the experience we actually needed to enjoy this trip, and if we finished right now, we actually enjoy it, so that's great. Now we go to some Christmas market, and yeah, also the older guy also invited me for a beer, so it was really nice from him. And just one thing, like I don't speak German or Deutsch, so that's one thing was a little bit problem, but we didn't have much to talk about or don't know how to talk. So, but still very nice couple, very nice older couple, like very, very good. There is a button on like every building or how to call it, and when you push it there is some music, so that's fine. So right now we are in Rauschpad or something like that, which should be the most tourist Christmas market, and also there should be ice skating, so that is something we wanna find, and a little bit ice skating. Sorry?
What's streaming?
No, just walk.
TikTok? Just walk. Salam alaikum. Where are you from?
YouTube channel?
Yeah, but
Which YouTube channel?
just starting.
Yeah, that's begonnen.
What's the name?
Stand journey.
How many followers you have?
0.
Egal. 6, 7.
6, 7, yeah.
Just starting, egal. Kennst du Bachelor Baby?
What?
Abo, wie heißt der?
Ey, sag ein amerikanischer Streamer ab und
No, Czech Republic, Europe, from
Yes,
Europe.
yes.
You are
Sag ein
from
amerikanischer
We are from Austria.
Austria?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Aber where are you from?
Czech Republic.
Ah, Tschechien.
Czechia.
Czech,
Yeah.
I love Czech. Yeah.
Czech.
What's the account? What's the account?
Oh, Stand journey.
Stanjon.
So yeah, we just met some kid, and it was interesting to see how people interact with you when you just hold this camera. Definitely some new experience. So we're still trying to find some. Yeah, there is it, the ice skating. right now we are in Freyung market, which looks much smaller, more like local, I'd say, or that's what Chad said. And yeah, not bad, but definitely it's not like the Rachtplatz. Much smaller, but still pretty good. So yeah, right now I'd like to talk about how I'm enjoying the trip so far. Well, honestly, it's not the best, but also it's not the worst. I think it's a little bit better than last time, but still the plan I had and the idea how to improve the trip wasn't enough. So yeah, but it's not bad, just it's probably not exactly for me. I'm honestly cannot imagine like I do just this kind of trip multiple times a year or a month or whatever. And yeah, it's just super basic. Like I feel like anyone could do what I do. Also the filming the city, it's not enjoyable as I thought it will be, but there was definitely some part of the trip which I enjoyed. Like I met some great people. That was definitely one of the best memories here. And yeah, I think at the end we still have a few hours before we go back to our country, but I honestly think nothing interesting will happen. We just see some more markets during night. That will be pretty fine, pretty beautiful, I believe, but still like nothing special, just trip to another city. And maybe also it's because Vienna is similar to my countries. Like the vibe is super similar, like in Prague or Brno, just bigger. So maybe it's not enough exotic for me. So maybe that's why. So this is our last station, last break before we go to our last Christmas market. And also it's trying to communicate here in some much closer location where are a lot of people around me. And we have this tea. So yeah, and another uncomfortable situation. Yeah. Right now the Christmas market is much more beautiful than it was in the morning or like during the day. And yeah, for the next time we have to choose better time, because right now pretty soon I will go back to my country. So yeah, we have to definitely choose some better time next time and visit something. There is music right now, the market leading, so, and we will finish, we are finishing here, which is not the best. So we have like 1 more hour here and then we stopped, we are done. So, did I enjoy or am I enjoying the trip? Well, it was up and down. Right now it's a little bit up because I can see the beauty of the markets. Like right now I'm a little bit far from the market because there are music, so you can hear me. But also, so it was up and down, and yeah, like totally, it's not the worst. But can I imagine doing this type of content every week or so? Probably not. I miss some some reason why I traveled here, like traveling because I wanna see Christmas market or city or something. It's not enough for me. So for the next time I'm trying to find some kind of goal, why to travel there and what to talk about, because the traveling alone, it's not enough reason for me. I enjoy work, that's fine. I don't have much problem talk during around people, like in the coffee where I said it was a little bit more difficult and I'm not used to, so that's definitely something we have to improve next time. But here I am talking and people are around me, no one care what I'm doing, and that's also probably because I have a phone which is much less like noticeable for people. When I had a camera, people watch much more. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and let's enjoy the Christmas market.